there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 6-7 Valentine's Day edition, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started over on the left hand side with the number 6, and we're going to start with the heart for the eye. So we're going to kind of keep this centered. We're going to start on the left hand side, rounding this out, pulling this back through in towards the center. And then we'll start underneath in the middle, again just curving this around, pulling this back down and in the center. Let's step in replicating that. So stepping down, leaving a gap, curving this over and through towards the bottom. And then again, we'll just replicate this on the right hand side as well. Let's draw on the number 6. So coming down, we're going to draw it in a straight line coming across. We'll pull this up towards the top of our page. And then we're going to pull this back through towards the heart. Let's bring this back up on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to continue to flatten this out. So we're going to extend this line across, and we're just going to extend this kind of on the side of our heart there. Now let's come down. We're going to draw in a small straight line coming down, pulling that across. Let's step down again, bringing this over and through on the side. And then from here, we're going to pull this diagonal line all the way down towards the bottom. Now let's bring a small diagonal line coming in. We'll bring this back down. Pull this back through, ending this at roughly the same width as this line on the top here, that edge. And then again, we're just going to pull this small line straight down. Now from here, let's extend this line across. And then we're going to tuck this back up and over. Again, bringing this up and through on the side. And now on the side here, pulling this line up, ending this at the same width as our line on the top there. Let's pull this line back in. And then again, we're going to bring this up, bringing this across towards the heart. And then here, we're just going to extend this up and back through, connecting that together. Let's draw in the middle of the 6 here. So stepping down, straight line across. We'll draw a straight line coming down on the left, and then we'll draw a smaller one on the right. We're going to extend this line out to the side. We'll bring this line through towards the bottom, ending this at the same height as the line on the left. And now from here, we're going to pull a small line that comes through to the center. Let's bring this down on both sides. Now from here, we're going to flatten this out on the bottom with a straight line. Let's draw in the arm. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the top. We'll do the exact same thing stepping underneath on the bottom. We're going to draw in a small curved line on the top, leaving a gap, extending that through, finishing that off. Now let's come down for the hand, leaving a gap here for the wrist. We're going to curve this around, pulling that back in on the side. Now from here, coming in, curving this over and back through. Let's draw the thumb now. So leaving a gap, stepping up, we're going to curve this out and across. And then now from here, we're just going to arch this around, pulling that back in on the side. Let's come up now. From here, we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in. Stepping underneath, arching this over and through on the side. And then again, one more time, coming underneath for that pinky, just curving this in, connecting that to the palm. We'll draw on the leg now coming down. So stepping in from this line, let's draw a straight line coming through towards the bottom. We'll step across, replicating that, ending that at the exact same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line underneath. Let's step up like we did in the arm, and we're just going to draw in 2 more curved lines for that center stripe there on the leg. Let's come down. We're going to arch this line around, pulling that back in. For the shoe, stepping in, we're going to curve this down to the bottom. Now from here, we're going to extend this out towards the left-hand side. And then from that corner, we're just going to curve this back around, curving this over and down, just connecting it to this line. Let's close off the sole of the shoe. So where we've left the gap here, and we're going to arch this across, pulling that over to the left. Now let's come over drawing in the number 7. So we're going to come over for that heart eye, a slight diagonal this time. And we're going to curve this around, pulling that back in towards the center. Now in the middle again, we're going to curve this around, bringing this back down in the middle. Let's come down in the center for the heart again. Curving this over and through. And then again, replicating that on the right-hand side. Let's draw on the number 7. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up, leaving a gap, and then we're going to flatten this out on the top here. We're going to extend this diagonal line all the way through towards the right for the top of that 7, and then we'll pull this down on a diagonal. Now from here, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in, and then we'll bring this down on the side. Let's pull this line back through, pulling that down. One more time, extending this in, just making sure that corner connects, and then pulling this back through to the bottom. Let's step over. We're going to pull this line out. Coming up, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming up and then in, leaving a gap as we come in towards that heart. And then we're just going to extend this up towards the heart, closing that off. Now let's come across for the right arm. So we're going to, on the top, curve this line out, doing the exact same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same width. Now let's step in for the stripe there on the arm, just curving that across. Now let's draw in the wrist. So stepping up slightly, we're going to curve this up, down, pulling that back in on the side. For the thumb, we're going to step down, curving this out and in. And then we're going to curve this back up towards the top, hooking this around, pulling that through. Let's draw on the first finger here. So we're going to curve this out to the side, pulling that back in. Stepping down, let's replicate that right in the center. One more time, coming down for the pinky, curving this over and back through. And then closing off the palm here, just curving this around and back up. Now let's draw on the right leg. So we're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming down on the bottom, ending those at the same height. We'll close this off with a curved line. Let's step up, lining this up as best we can at the same height, drawing in another curved line, and then stepping through again one more time, finishing that off. Again, let's draw on the ankle, stepping up, curving this around, pulling this in and over on the side. Let's come through on the back. We're going to arch this line down. Now from here, let's curve this line out towards the side. And then we're going to, from that corner, curve this around, pulling that back down on the middle. And now let's close off the sole of the shoe with a curved line. And that is it. That's how you draw 6-7 Valentine's Day edition. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.